Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from gloomy South Florida. It's going to be raining any minute now, but we're going to try to do this video really quick before Mother Nature gets us. By the way, that is our telephone number. So that being said, come on, buddy. What do we have here? Well, we have a GMC Sierra 1500, and we just put a Bak Flip G2 on this one. Now, the G2 is going to be a little less money than the MX4. It's about $100 less. Comes with a 3-year manufacturer warranty. And this here has a semi-gloss finish on here with a 300-pound capacity on this. This is a good looking cover. If you want to save some money, this is a good way to do it. It does have the 3 folds. So let's go here and show you how it works here. All right, so go ahead, buddy, swing around the other side here so we can, hopefully the tree won't be too far in the way here. Normally we'd have moved it, but we have limited time. So you got a left and right release mechanism, so driver's side or passenger side, you can open this up here. And let's go ahead and open up. Now you can drive like this right here. There's basically a little thing here to secure it. Now if you notice, I'm gonna go ahead and push that forward. Now there's 2 of these. I do recommend using both of these. This way, if you're on the highway, you don't have to worry about the wind catching it. When these are not in use, there's a little spot holds it in place here. Now, they does have the big pads here. Now, these are basically so it will not interfere with your spoiler up there. So you got your roof spoiler. So let's go ahead and open this all the way up. Now, this sits, if you notice, it does sit below the 3rd brake light. Now, a lot of people like that because a lot of times the brake light has the cameras in it. And this does not block the camera. So a lot of my my GMC dealers who buy from us all the time, they usually will order the BAKFlip MX4 or the BAKFlip G2 just because it doesn't cover the light or the cameras. Now let's go ahead and show you how this locks into place. You get this little sliding thing here. Now this is very important. You want to use both sides. Now for the video, I'm only doing one side, but you want to do both of these. This way, if you're on a highway, again, this is not going to go anywhere. You do have the big cushions there, so it does protect the window as well as the cover. Now, if you look inside, you can see where the drainage system is. Now, we did not add a new hole. That hole is from the factory, and it's very convenient that GM decides, hey, let's put a hole in there for things like this, and I do appreciate that. Thank you, GM. Now, when these are not in use, slide them up. You got your little clip over here. You can see that locks in here. Now, when you go to close it, you don't need to slam it. Just close it. You hear that little clicking noise. That lets you know it is closed. Okay, now come around here. Now, when you get to the end, sometimes you have to push it down a little further here. Make sure we're good locked up here. Okay. Nice tight fit here. Now, again, we can install it for you like we did here. We can also ship this anywhere in the country. Now, this customer actually did not buy the cover from us. Basically, he's having us do the installation for you, and we can do that for you as well. Of course, you can always buy it from us, and if you buy it from us and we do the install, you get the 1-year labor guarantee as well. That's a little extra benefit by purchasing the cover from us. By the way, the price will be the same. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is a review of the BAKFlip G2 on the GMC Sierra 1500. And before I go, hit that like button. We really appreciate it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.